Today on Hack and Build, I'm going to show you how you can take a jigsaw like this and mount it upside down like a scroll saw so you can cut out small parts such as these. Let's hack and build. So I was in the middle of another project, actually trying to make some sheet metal templates for this part I'm working on my forge. And these are the templates right here, and I just couldn't get the part cut out with this jigsaw here. And I know I've seen other people mounting these things upside down in a scroll saw position, and I'm going to show you how I did that. Essentially, what I did is I milled out a pocket in a piece of melamine board, enough for the size of the base here, actually just the exact size. I did that with my router. It's probably about 1/2 inch deep or so. So the secret sauce of this whole thing are these milling style clamps right here. And these kind of clamps, what they allow you to do is the bolt comes up and goes onto the table, and these kind of pivot. So it gives you two points of contact on the table, one on your workpiece and the other on the table. And that creates a really strong hold. It's worked out very well for me for milling, so I figured I'd give it a try for mounting this guy. And yeah, I'm very happy with the way the clamps are working out. One of the things I really like about this setup is how easy it is to get the saw on and off the table. You just tighten these down and you're ready to go. I didn't actually use these milling clamps because I've got a job set up on my mill right now. I didn't want to take it apart. And I also figured if I tighten these up too much, then I could potentially damage the tool here, and I don't want to do that. So I used the jigsaw to make myself some of these walnut clamps here. And they don't look pretty, but they get the job done. Now let's take a look and see how this thing cuts. I'm just making some relief cuts here, just tracing my line around, and it's really cutting pretty nicely. But I should also mention that this is pretty much the top of the line jigsaw in Bosch's jigsaw lineup. It's a JS 572 EB. I really like this jigsaw. It costs about $100 more than the next step down. But the main reason I went with this saw was because it has a light that illuminates the blade area, and it comes with a case. So for me, spending that extra $100 is well worth it. It comes with the case, I can quickly put it away, and I don't have to make something up and spend time doing that. And the amount of frustration that it's going to save because I can't see properly and I do a lot of work in my basement is really well worth it. Hey, and that's all there is to it. I'm really happy with the way my quick and dirty little table worked out. I was able to get my parts made, and it works pretty well, I think. I feel pretty comfortable with the way the tool is mounted in the table. I looked around while I was putting this thing together. Actually, it wasn't while I was putting the thing together. I'd seen some videos before, and it just kind of gave me the willies to mount this thing upside down. But I'm really comfortable with using this style of clamp, and I think it's holding pretty solid right now. Haven't noticed it loosening up, though I haven't used the tool a whole lot. If you made one of these, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Also, subscribe so you can get notifications on my next videos. As I mentioned, I'm working on that forge. I hope to have a video out on that soon. But that's going to be a pretty interesting project, and hopefully I'll be doing some more blacksmithing too once I have that thing built. Hopefully no more diversions like this little project here. So subscribe for more hacks and builds, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.